Hi babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mary. For today's video, I am going to be doing two looks. Actually, I'm going to be doing a day look and I'm going to be adding to it and making it a night look. I am going to be doing a very wearable day look and I'm going to be glamming it up for the night. Actually, well, not that I'm actually gonna go out. I really want to show you guys the difference between a soft look and a dramatic look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this day look and night look, just please keep on watching. Okay babes, so first of all, I'm gonna start off with my skincare and I'm gonna be using my Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some of my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Now for my lips, and apply some of this Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Mask. And I always have trouble opening this one. And this is what it looks like. This is a cherry vanilla. And it smells so good and it feels so good on the lips. You guys, I definitely recommend this lip mask. It does plump your lips a lot. Like every time I leave it overnight, I feel like when I wake up, my lips are like so plumped. You guys see that? Right away, I plumped up my lips. Patrick Ta 4 Brows Tinted Wax. And I'm going to take my MAC, my Fix Plus, and I'm going to activate the product. And I usually always just do my brows first. I love this product, you guys. I love how it leaves my brows. So my brows look so much better, you guys. They look much more fuller and thicker. Nicely combed. I'm going to clean them up with my Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Golden Beige. Blend it out. I'm just gonna add some concealer onto my lid. And set the concealer with my One Size translucent powder just so I can seal that concealer in. My eyeshadow won't move. I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Novu palette. For my crease shade, I'm going to be using Metro, this one right here. I'm going to use my Makeup Shack blending brush. Let's say I'm like, oh, I'm going to go out for dinner, but I don't know what I want to wear. I don't know if I want to wear something color or all black. So basically, I'm going to just go based off my makeup, do like a very light shade. So I'm going to go in with ISO, this one right here, and I'm just gonna apply that with my ring finger. So pretty. For my third shade, this Metro shade right here, and I'm just gonna deepen out that outer corner. Go back in with that first brush that I used to blend everything out together. For lashes, I'm going to be using Beauty Creations in the style Daydream. I love these eyelashes, you guys, because these are very natural looking but very glam as well. So I'm going to be putting these off camera because, girl, it takes me a while. This is what the lash looks like. If you're not like an eyelash person, you can wear this, make this the night look. Like this could be the day look and this is a night look. Obviously I'm not done. I still have a lot to do on my eyes, but yeah, I just wanted to show you the difference between eyelash and no lash. You can just wear mascara and curl your lashes and mascara, and that's pretty much it. If that's what makes you comfortable, you can just go ahead and do that. But I just really wanted to show you guys what it looks like. It's bomb. And bomb. It doesn't matter. You don't have to wear an eyelashes if you don't feel comfortable wearing them. Jump onto the face, and I'm going to be using my One Size Secure the Blur Primer because I want my makeup to last all day, you guys, especially since I'm gonna have it on the whole day and for the night. For foundation, I'm going to be using my NARS Soft Matte Foundation in Aruba. I'm going to blend it out with my e.l.f. sponge. So to conceal, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Full Filter Concealer in Sugar Biscuit. To contour, I'm going to be using my Full Filter Concealer as well in Honeycomb. Put some on the sides. I'm going to start off with the darker shade first. I used to like using a brush for this, you guys, but I would see a lot of streaks with this concealer and I kind of didn't like it. So I just started using the sponge and I really liked it. It looks so much better. It looks so flawless. Doesn't look like I have streaks of concealer everywhere. And I'm going to be using that clean side to blend out the lighter concealer. And what I like about using the sponge, you guys, is that I have foundation in the bottom. I need to erase some of that darker shade or blend it out more, even it out. I can use the foundation. I can go back to it. So that's what I love about using the sponge. And the sponge is so good, you guys. This is from e.l.f. I stopped buying beauty blenders. Like, I completely stopped. I was addicted to buying beauty blenders. And especially when they come in that twin pack. Like, I love the fact that it comes with the twin pack and it comes with the little soap. But I just stopped because they were ripping on me. And girl, they're not cheap. They're pricey. And to be buying like beauty blenders like that often, como que no. Como que no. I remember when sponges came out, like sponges became a thing. I loved using the Real Techniques ones. And then Morphe came out with some. Well, obviously beauty blenders have been in the game for so long. But when I started using beauty blenders, oh my god. I would cherish that one sponge. And then it became a thing to buy like so often, because they started doing like those twin packs. Guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer using my One Size translucent powder. And I'm going to put some on the back of the cap. And with a powder puff, I'm going to go ahead and set. So I'm going to let that powder sit for a bit. I'm going to go ahead and use my One Size Turn Up the Base powder foundation. Okay, babe, so now I'm going to go ahead and put some of my Jaclyn Hill Top Down Bronzer. Just going to bronze a little, not too much. Just tapping it in. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the powder sitting on under my eyes. Go ahead and use my Laura Mercier Translucent Honey. Carve out the bottom of this bronzer. Add some of my Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Blush. Okay, I'm going to add some of this Beauty shade. And set my face with Max Fix Plus, and gonna add some mascara. For my lips, use my Beauty Creations lip liner in Poppin'. For lipstick, Beauty Creations in the shade Brie Brie. Okay, babe, so to finish off this day look and set my face with the One Size Until Dawn setting spray. Oh, okay, so, ooh, The smell is strong. Babe, so this is what the day look came out to be. I absolutely love how it came out. Very, very soft glam. Nothing too dramatic. I would definitely I would wear this to like the market, to the mall, to work, anything that I can think of like throughout the day. This is definitely something that I would wear. But now for the exciting part, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this look into a night look. So first of all, I'm gonna start off with adding, of course, some eyeliner. Go ahead and use my LA Girl. This is in dark brown. You see, this is already giving drama. Just say my boo said he's taking me out, or we have a fiesta, and this is definitely how I would switch it up. And now I'm obviously gonna add a little more eyeshadow and add some of this shade right here, Metro. Okay, babe, so I'm gonna use a Morphe M506 brush and I'm gonna blend that out more. I'm gonna make it more smoky. And I'm gonna take off this lipstick. So, bye-bye lipstick. Evian Beauty lip liner and Brooke. Put some of this Huda Beauty Miss America liquid lipstick. And I'm gonna put some in the middle. Okay, babe, so I'm gonna add a little more blush now, and I'm gonna put some of this Blaze shade. Babe, so that is it. That's pretty much it. You can add some lip gloss if you'd like. I'm not gonna be adding gloss, you guys. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I hope I don't have anything on my teeth. Yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I had so much fun just adding to this look, this soft look that I had done. Don't forget to please like my video if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel, girl. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Don't be shady, and comment down below which one was your favorite look, or would you try both? And I'll see you guys and girls in my next video. Bye!